In this video, we'll show you how to save video and photos using Garmin Speak. Here in the recording section, we can tap on Save Video, and that will save about a minute or 3-minute video clip based on your SD card slot. You can also tap on the Take a Picture, and that will also save a photo to your SD card. Now, you can also use if you have the Alexa version, you can just say it and it will save it. You can also pause or start the recording. By default, the dash cam will start recording if you're using that, but you can control it that way. Here we'll click on View Gallery so we can view the saved media on our SD card slot. And what's going to happen here is that we're going to open up a Wi-Fi hotspot from the dash cam, and using our smartphone and Garmin Speak app, we're going to connect to it. So this takes a few seconds, but if you have the apps installed, you really don't have to do anything. It's just going to join to a new network, and it should flip over here. And we'll be able to load in all the information that's from our SD card slot. We can filter it to different types of videos or photos. And from there, we can select one or more clips. So for example, let's say we want to delete some of these saved clips. They're not that good. And we're just here, we're going to tap a few clips, hit the trash can, and let's delete them. And now let's select another clip here. So the thing here is that the clips are still on the dash cam, and we're going to download them to a temporary spot in our Garmin Speak smartphone apps. So it's not actually on the device yet. It's kind of in a temporary spot, so we can download it that way. And what we can do here is we can tap on the red download button, and that really is the button that will actually save the video to your phone, to your photos, or your photo library on the phone. So the green button is just a share to a service. The red button actually saves it to the device. So that's a little bit confusing here. But anyway, you can take a look at some other clips, choose a clip, hit the little download button or upload button, depending on what it looks like, and you can save the full clip. Or you can edit the clip before you actually download it, or actually have a saved version of it here. So here we have a clip. Got a little timeline here at the bottom. Takes a few seconds for things to refresh, but you can actually tap and drag the timeline and end up with a trim clip that you can use. It takes a little bit of working to get used to how this interface works, and also with the response, it takes a little bit of time to see what you're actually saving and stuff. But once you're happy with the clip that you have, you can actually get it to download. And now this is actually going to transfer the video clip onto your Garmin Speak app, and once it's kind of downloaded, we can tap on the red button here to actually save it to our photo libraries, and now we have it saved. And it's kind of the same thing with the photos too. And once you're done, you can hit exit on the dash cam, and then the whole thing will try to reconnect via Bluetooth, and you're basically good to go. And that is quickly how you save videos and photos using Garmin Speak.